I said love is a decision. I love the life that I've been given. All you niggas out there spitting can't fuck with Christian, so forget it. See, I was up in Jersey, chillin' on the shore, right, when Shorty walked by and she had ass galore, right, but that's a different story. More later on, Shorty, on to these rap cats. See, y'all starting to really bore me, that's why God sent me down to flow this crazy method, interpret and respect it, then maybe you can handle it. Bruce Banner when I spit, Hulk Hogan in this bitch, but you're a mix of DJ and Danny Tanner in this shit. Niggas don't like me, they bitches try and dike me. You're the worst rapper that minds are probably sightsee. Yeah, most likely, I grab the fucking mic and rip it up until there's nothing left. Shred all you rappers like your last name was Scissorhand. First name Edward, your verses are depressing. I send them to Apollo 1003 at 11. Bitch, mine's copacetic, legit and illmatic, legit and illmatic. I said love is a decision. I love the life that I've been given. All you niggas out there spitting can't fuck with Christian, so forget it. Oh yeah, that chick from the shore, yo, she's a little whore. Took her back to the room and I smashed her like a s'more dog. These niggas tripping, talking and making moves. See, they did a few shows, now they talking like they huge. Yeah, I ain't never did a show, but if I did, I would get food. See, these niggas got money and talent on misconstrued. See, money don't give you talent, but talent can bring you money. Look, your songs are homemade shit, whack as fuck. Garbage disposal type nigga, just bag it up. Your flows 2 seconds off beat. Try and rap fast, but you're stumbling over your words like your hurdles that attract me. Better step your game up, I'm about to throw a change up. Stupid ass niggas dumb as hell when it comes to writing, but you a snake in the grass when it comes to biting. And when it comes to me, you'll always be second best. I said love is a decision. I love the life that I've been given. All you niggas out there spitting can't fuck with Christian, so forget it.